To set a boost timer on the eddi, we're going to go into menu, down to heater settings, into boost timer, heater 1, and you're going to press tick to confirm the row that you want to use. You're going to set the start time, so you set the hours first, followed by the minutes. These are 15-minute intervals. Then you're going to set your duration. So this is the duration, not the end time. You're then going to set the days of the week you want to use. Just use the up arrows to change yes or no to that day. Keep pressing tick throughout that line until the whole line is highlighted, and that is the boost timer set. If you want to set more than one, scroll down to the next line and repeat the process. Once done, then you're back to the home screen and that's your boost timer set.